Everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to download fonts from DaFont onto your laptop to use in Photoshop or Design Space. So first thing you want to do is find the font that you want to download. Today I'm going to download Barbara Blast. On the right hand side of that font you'll see download. Click download. On the bottom screen click save and then click open. The screen that will pop up will say Barbara Blast demo or just Barbara Blast. That's the font's name. So you just go to the right hand corner and select extract all. Another screen will pop up. My fonts download under downloads into a folder under the name of the font. So click extract. It'll pop up the screen again. This time you double click the font name. At the top left hand corner you'll see install. Click install and it'll install the font onto your computer or laptop. So I'm going to exit out of all of the screens and then go into Design Space. So I'm going to open a new project. Type out a word and under systems we're going to go find the font that we just downloaded. So it was Barbara Blast. There it is.